Hello, good morning, everybody. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Myself, Hatisha Patel from My School Be the Best. Today, I'm going to give you some tips for the Speaking PT module task 2 called Repeat Sentence. So, in which I will teach you what tips you need to follow and how you get yourself ready for this task. So please keep watching this video and follow the tips and improve upon your repeat sentences, which is very important. By doing this, you will gain some marks for your speaking as well as your listening. So please give your 100% and do hard work as well as smart work to achieve your desired band score. So all the best for your practice. Thank you very much. Okay, so here I'm going to provide you some tips for repeat sentence. Repeat sentence is most important task of your PTE exam after read aloud. By doing repeat sentences, you will not only gain marks for your speaking module, but you also will get some marks for your listening section as well. So give your 100% to this task and follow the tips. Content, fluency and pronunciation I have mentioned before, and in repeat sentence you will get 5 marks for fluency, 5 marks for pronunciation and 3 marks for content. So make sure whenever you repeat the sentence your fluency and pronunciation should be there, and you just try to cover content as much as you can. If you can't, then do not hesitate, do not lose your confidence. I will provide you some tips to finish this task and get maximum marks as much as you can. Okay, so practice is essential. Without practice, no one can be perfect in this task, because there are different speakers from different countries and they just speak the sentence and you need to repeat the sentence after them. So practice makes you perfect. Okay, so do 100 repeat sentences each day and follow the tips. Remember, the microphone will turn off in 3 seconds. Okay, so you just need to start speaking when you see the recording blue bar is start. And again, remember, there is no sound when recording bar start. So keep your eyes on the recording bar. And when you see the blue bar is coming up, start to repeat the sentence what you have heard. Okay? And remember, always remember 5 for fluency and 5 for pronunciation and only 3 for content. So try to be fluent, try to be clear, and content whatever you have heard, just give the content back in the sentence. And be fluent and be clear as much as you can, which is very important. And when you finish the sentence, nothing to say, then click on next button immediately. And this is applicable for your all speaking tasks. And here I am going to provide you some tips. So first of all, some people, if they are looking for 6 or 7 bands, they can just follow some of the tips from here. But some of the tips I recommend you highly to do this and follow this. Okay, first of all, listen carefully and understand the sentence. It is very important. When you listen carefully and understand the sentence, it becomes easy for you to repeat the sentence. Listen the phrase. What is phrase? So phrase is a small group of words. For example, I say like, Professor Smith will be late for today's lecture. So if you remember some phrase, like Professor Smith is one phrase, will be late is second, for today's lecture is third phrase. So your job becomes a lot more easier if you just remember the phrase. And the another way you can do, and this is the best way and highly recommended way to do the repeat sentences, and another task which is come in your listening module, which is write from dictation. So write down the initial words of the sentence, and I'm sure if you follow these tips, you will be the 100% correct, and you will provide the proper content, and you do not need to make up or add the sentence, or you will not hesitate. But these tips ask you to practice more. Sorry. So do your practice and give enough time to yourself to just be the master in these tips. Okay. And finally there is a last tips, which is if you forgot the sentence halfway, then make up the sentence and finish it. So there is, I would like to recommend you all have some pet phrase. So what is a pet phrase? Whenever you feel that nothing to say, just repeat that phrase and click on next. For example, there is a sentence like I have heard, Professor Smith will be late for today's lecture. I just remember Professor Smith. Professor Smith, white is my favorite color. I just remember Professor Smith will be. Professor Smith will be, white is my favorite color. Or I just remember the end part. So how I will do? Professor Smith, white is my favorite color, late for today's lecture. So this is the way to do this, and I will see you how to do this in practical. So you just understand what I'm trying to say and how you can do this task. So repeat sentence is the most important task for your listening section. If you want to gain good marks in your listening, please focus on your repeat sentences. Because some people, they just complaining they are not getting enough marks in listening, but they are just concentrating on listening. Instead of concentrating on listening, you need to work on your repeat sentences. And I like PT test because it shares some marks in the different module, which is very, very good. So this is the way to do repeat sentences. Let's do the practice of repeat sentences. So first of all, you need to remember, you need to listen carefully and listen for the phrases. Write down initial letter of the word from the sentence. Then make up the sentence if you forgot the sentence halfway, and finish the sentence. So I will teach you in this example how to do it. So let's start.
Weather here is unpredictable.
Weather here is unpredictable. Weather here is unpredictable. Okay, that's simple.
Weather here is unpredictable.
Weather here is unpredictable.
The tanker is registered in Rotterdam.
The tanker is registered in Rotterdam. So what I did, Rotterdam. I wasn't sure what was the word was, but I just create the sound like that word. So just mimic the sound. If you do not heard that word properly, if you like, you can mimic the sound, or you can put in place of Rotterdam, the tanker is registered in something. So you can use word something to fill the gap. Okay. Next, I will write down the initial letter and we'll see how accurate I am.
She feared becoming an object of ridicule.
She feed becoming an object of ridicule. She feared. Sorry. So I haven't heard this word properly, feared. So I just speak she afraid, becoming an object of ridicule. Sometimes our pronunciation is not clear, sound is not clear because we are not sure what was the word was. But still it is good if you are taking 80% or 50% content correct, that's fine. Please keep going, do not hesitate.
Critics want the government to take it one stage further and ban the film altogether.
Critics wants to government take one taste further and ban film altogether. Whatever I have heard, I just speak in one go and finish the sentence. Critics want the government to take each one stage further and ban the film altogether. So whatever, now let's learn how to make up the sentence. So making up the sentence, it is not going to affect your band score too much. Like when you are fumbling, when you are not completing the sentence, then you need to use these tips and finish the sentence in one go so you can maintain your fluency, you can maintain your pronunciation, and some of the content is there, so you also get marks for that. Okay, so if you are feeling having difficulty to remember the whole sentence, then follow these tips.
After the noise of the city, he was glad to retreat to his hotel room.
After the noise of the city, white is my favorite color. So here I use the one pet phrase like white is my favorite color. I all the time use this when I forget the sentence and I don't know the end part, or I just want to maintain my fluency and content with the less practice. I can do this, and for that you are just going to lose the marks for the content little bit, but that's fine. 5 marks for fluency, 5 marks for pronunciation, and only 3 marks for content. So if you are repeating 8 words, total 8 words out of 4, 4 words you are repeating out of 8, so you have covered the 50% content. So you get some like 1 or 2 marks for the content. And okay, so at the end I just want to suggest you all to start doing your practice and improve upon your repeat sentence, and just see the difference in your result, what you were gaining before and now, how you improve upon your speaking as well as in your listening. So if anyone struggling for your listening band score, just work here and it will help you to gain good score in your listening. So please follow these tips and trust on me, trust on these tips, and I'm sure you will get there. So please keep doing this, and all the best again for your practice. If you have any question, any difficulty, please comment in the comment box. I'm always there to help you out. Thank you very much, and once again, thank you for supporting us. Please, if you like this video, share, like and subscribe. Thank you.